Hey Matt, so the general idea is that you have every time you create a new item, like a new project, it creates a view with a database, and it will be automatically synced to the tasks specifically for this project. And the bug is that the filter was not applied properly. So um, this is how you can change it. Uh, right next to your new button, there is a small arrow and there is a new project default. This is a template that you can edit. So once you edit it, you will have this all tasks. This should be fine. Unfinished tasks and done. And in the unfinished tasks, you need to add a new filter, which would be done unchecked. And in done, the same goes done, but now it's checked. You save it, and that's pretty much all that you need to do. Now, if you already have projects that you work with and it doesn't properly show the filter, you can just delete this database or delete this view, delete everything, and click this new project. It will repopulate with the new filter. That's it.